Have you ever forgotten your keys or misplaced your things? Well, now imagine forgetting entire people and loved ones and misplacing memories. Unfortunately, millions of people forget their families, places they've been, things they've done, eventually even themselves. Hi, I'm Anurag Katiyar, and I'm here to talk about Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's. Originally discovered by Dr. Alois Alzheimer's by observing a deceased patient with a peculiar neurological disease that left significant changes in the patient's brain tissue. Alzheimer's is a progressive brain disorder that slowly destroys memory, thinking skills, and eventually the ability to do simple tasks. It's the most common cause of dementia in older adults. What makes this thing different than forgetting things normally? Well, in this case, your neurons, or your nerve cells, are being destroyed, and it gets worse as you grow older. There is no one reason to the cause of Alzheimer's. However, scientists have discovered that the overproduction of beta amyloid and tau proteins are among some of the factors that contribute to the development of Alzheimer's disease. As beta amyloid proteins overproduce, they clump together to form plaques between neurons. This blocks the communication between the two neurons. As tau protein overproduce, they form neurofibrillary tangles, or tau tangles, inside the neurons. When this happens, the microtubules can no longer transport nutrients the nerve cell needs, which leads to cell death. As time progresses, more neurons die. As these neurons die, the brain will appear smaller and have more gaps. This degeneration of neurons begins in the hippocampus, which is responsible for our long-term memory and emotions. Other factors include genetics, and having the apolipoprotein E gene can increase the risk of developing the disease and even developing Alzheimer's at an early age, also known as early onset Alzheimer's disease. Another factor simply being old age, as the brain doesn't receive the nutrients and necessities it needs. Think of it like a music gig with a huge crowd of people. If some unruly pranksters glom together between the musician and the fan in the fans in the back are unable to hear because the pranksters are too loud. The unruly pranksters being the beta amyloid proteins which combine to form amyloid plaques to prevent communication. Tau tangles can be represented as equipment malfunction which prevents the musician from doing their job. As of right now, Alzheimer's has no cure, but scientists have actively been searching for ways to prevent and cure it. At best with modern medicine, we can at least slow down the progression of Alzheimer's disease. However, as time passes, scientists shall make more breakthroughs and hopefully we can find a cure for Alzheimer's soon. Thanks for watching my video.